Kametap sangma kanong kakurim ka baar jong umatirang ba banjak yaka election MLA. Kini long hadian baka dikan sisira kakurim jong Dr. Mukul Sama kala job yaka election MLA kapol ba Dr. Mukul Sama udang long usip minister. Kametap sangma kala job kala sahaja sanspa abut persya yaka nong yele bajan jongka kabalong kakotong jaka sang Trinamul Congress baka kurim jong uzenit sangma. Kametap kala tam habarok sautili kiraun dari tang hadu karaun ka balai kala deptip bakan job bat ukondar sangma. Kalami coba nak jaga tabut ban akhir lagi ke pai ba wala kadang sa sakaron ke bakhadu ban pendap ya kejangan jobut
and we are very committed completely. We still have to wait. We still have the last round left. So let's wait for the final results and the announcement. But looking at the trends, it looks like we are quite comfortable.
Still waiting for the final result to be declared. So I think we should go.
How are we feeling with each round of results? You are nervous?
Of course, I think as every candidate is, gets nervous for the result, I was also. Although we knew that the response was very good, still nothing was for sure until every votes were counted. So we're just waiting for that.